Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Traverse RS. Powering this one-owner, accident-free, all-wheel drive SUV is a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 10 to 14 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of storage space, including a spare set of winter tires. The third row of seats is currently folded down for extra storage room. You have access to 12-volt power, and this vehicle has a powered liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. You also have your liftgate controls and BOSE premium sound system. On the steering wheel is your forward collision warning, cruise control, heated steering wheel, display controls, and hands-free audio. This vehicle is currently sitting at 53,159 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go, a digital rear view mirror. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls with heated front seats, your power ports, your gear select, as well as lane keep assist and drivetrain select. This vehicle also has leather seats, and the front two seats are power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have rear seat pockets in the back of both front seats. You also have access to 120-volt power, 2 USB ports, automatic climate controls, which the air flows through the vents in the roof for the middle and rear row of seats. For the back row, you have access to USB and additional storage. And the middle row of seats have these nice flip-down armrests, as well as the seats can flip down for extra storage. If you would like to see this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse RS in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.